What's up, guys? Vlog day number 3, and we're starting off today's video in my backyard. And honestly, I don't really know what the plan is today. I applied to a lot of jobs yesterday and the day before that, and it's more about waiting to hear back from some of those groups. So today, it's kind of like a free day. It's also Friday, so I can relax a little bit, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. One thing that I might do is to get rid of that thing. It's an old planter that my mom planted. It ended up not being that good, and it's kind of a mess, so I want to clean that up, and then maybe go to like Home Depot to get wood to build a planter so we can replace it. And I've been wanting to build a planter for a couple years now, actually, so maybe that's what I'll do today. Honestly, I haven't decided yet. Yeah, so we'll see. I put you through a lot, I know. Highs and lows. Still you never let me go. Ain't nobody bigger than a... Okay, so I think I got my day planned, at least for the next few hours. I'm going to cook these wings, eat, and then finish my app. I think that's the plan. Because yesterday I uploaded a video on Instagram like this, like a phone vlog, and I captioned it, "Do not graduate college," as like a clickbait. And I think it got some pretty good engagement. So I do like the engagement, so I want to finish the app and then make a video about that, hopefully, and then get more engagement, because I think people think that I'm actually not doing crap, which is true, but I'm also doing stuff on the side. So I'm not entirely being a dumbass and not doing crap. I actually have projects that I'm working on, like my video game and my app. So I think I should share that on my socials and do a video. Yeah, I think that'd be cool. So we're headed home right now, and we're gonna cook these wings. Alright, guys, this is my pretty much daily, almost daily, definitely like 3 or 5 times a week, wing recipe. I use the air fryer. I make my wings the same every time I make them. I kind of have the recipe like down to a T. It's so good. To go when you go to Wingstop and you can make your own wings. Which I used to go to Wingstop a lot. That's why. Boom. Add in 400 for 20 minutes. Flip at 10. Yeah. This is pretty much what I've been up to most days. Just chilling in the backyard, enjoying the sun, doing projects. I pruned that tree, and I pruned that tree. And if you guys don't know, and I want to see how you guys would even know, this backyard was like really kind of disgusting. My parents kind of just dumped a bunch of stuff over here and like kind of ignored it for like years. So like March of this past March, I just cleaned all of it up, and now we can hang out here. Let's chow. Okay guys, we're back. I just had lunch, chilled out for a little bit. It's about 3:08 and we now have a plan. We're gonna go to Lowe's or Home Depot and we're gonna buy some wood, some lumber, and then we're gonna build the raised garden bed that we've been wanting to build for literal months, even years at this point. But I'm just feeling kind of handy right now. I want to build something, you know, and I'm really not doing shit. So let's go build a raised garden bed, and yeah, let's go. All right guys, we are at Lowe's to pick up some wood to build our first project, which is a simple raised garden bed. Maybe once we get good at like building stuff, we can do more cool stuff. But for now, we're gonna start off with something simple that is a raised garden bed. Yeah, I've actually never gone to Lowe's and got wood before or anything like it. So, I mean, this will be a learning experience for us and also a learning experience for you guys, hopefully, if you guys want to do a project. Wood. Picket fences is $2.98. Let's see, I think if we do one of these, maybe two of these. I don't know if they cut wood here, so I'm gonna go to Home Depot and check that place out because I know they chop wood. They don't chop wood here. I don't think. I didn't ask, but I was already walking out, so I just walked out. So off to Home Depot, I guess. All right, take two, I guess. We're now at Home Depot, but now we kind of know what we're doing a little bit more. Let's take this. Okay, so I just finished chopping up all the wood. Jesse over there helped me out. As you can see, I have a lot of spare wood. It's definitely a learning process. I got the right wood, but you know, it's my first time ever even doing that, and it's pretty cool. We're gonna go check out and then go back home and start building. It's a fun little project we're doing here. All right, so here's what we got. We got a bunch of planks and 2x3s. Got it all chopped up. Honestly, it was kind of confusing because I wasn't prepared and I didn't know what it was like to chop the wood here at Home Depot. But we got it done, so we just have a bunch of wood now. Let's get this loaded up in my car and head home. Again, I don't even know if that's the right amount that I got. I was just chopping wood at that point. So let's just go home and try to fix it. Try to get it right, I guess. Beautiful day, beautiful day.